my cooks, and welcome to Sweet Southern Cooking. Today we are going to make, as my family would say, SMOKEYS, but for y'all may know it as pigs in a blanket. Today we are going to use croissants. We're going to take the shortcut route on this one. 4-ounce croissant cans, some little SMOKEYS, and I cubed up some Colby cheese. So let's get started and popping these babies open. First you're going to start with your little SMOKEY and a piece of cheese. And you're going to roll it up like so. Place it in a pan with parchment paper. Now that they're all wrapped up, set your oven to 350 degrees and let them brown up on the top until they are completely done. And then we are going to take them out and I will show you the finished product. Okay, these are done. Don't they look gorgeous? Be very careful because you just got them out. It's gonna be hot, but if you're smart, you would wait till they cooled a little bit, but I'm impatient. This is also a good party snack. If you want to serve it at a Christmas party or a little get-together, this is a perfect snack to go with it. Here we go, my cooks. SMOKEYS, or as everybody else would know, pigs in the blanket. I hope y'all enjoy. Right now, I'm going to show you the ingredients to make this recipe. We have a 10-ounce can of ROTEL. We have 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. We have a half block of VELVEETA, which is 16 ounces. And we have 1 pound of ground beef. Pop that in there. Now that the ground beef is done, see all the grease that's down here on the bottom of the pan? Make sure you drain it. That is what I'm fixing to do. I'll be back in just a second. Okay, now that we got that drained, we are going to add in our 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. I know I didn't say it in the beginning, but to this, I think I'm going to add some water to it. 1/4 of water. Add in our cheese. Let's turn down the temperature a little bit to the stove. Mix this together. Now we are going to keep stirring this until the cheese is melted, and then we will pour in our ROTEL. Now that the cheese has completely melted, we are ready to add in our chunky ROTEL. Let this cook just a little bit longer, and then I will put it in a serving dish and show you the results. Okay, my cooks, here is the finished product. Best dip ever.